This job for Oracle middleware specialist is at Westpac in Sydney, Australia. Westpac is one of the four big banks in Australia and is quite a good place to work. To be successful in this role, you will be an experienced Oracle middleware services specialist who is currently working for a large organization and a proven team player. In order to be successful, you should have hands-on experience with operational support for Oracle Siebel, OCH, and WebLogic 12. You should have a deep understanding and experience with design build phases of Oracle Siebel and WebLogic solutions, and also you should have experience with Oracle virtualized and non-virtualized environment, which means on-prem. If you have any working knowledge of messaging services like MQ, JMS, and API REST, then it should be sweet. And of course, if it is Oracle tooling, then it always helps to have some Linux, Unix operating system experience. If you feel like a job for you, then go to Westpac's website and apply directly from there. Thank you.